Here's your guide to help you through the process of updating or changing your SolidWorks serial number. So here's how to do this. You'll need to get to this screen here and find SolidWorks amongst all your installed applications. There are many ways to get here, but the easiest in Windows 11 is to just press the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing uninstall or add to get to the Add or Remove Program System setting. If you prefer clicking, you can navigate through the menu and find Settings or Control Panel. There's many paths to here, but the destination is the same, the Installed Apps menu where every application is listed. Find your most recent version of SolidWorks and click the three dots to the right to find the Modify option. Click this to launch the SolidWorks Installation Manager, which you'll use to update the serial number. Check the option for Modify Your Installation at the top and click Next. Here's where you update the serial number. Just replace what's there with the new serial number you received from our team. Be sure the relevant serial number is put in the right place, for example, SolidWorks, Simulation, Flow, and so on. And that's it. Just hit Next, Next, Next to continue through the process and lock in these modifications with your updated serial number.